Hello students, this is the continuation of transportation in plants. Translocation is the transport of soluble products of photosynthesis. It occurs in the vascular tissue known as phloem. Amino acids, sucrose are also transported. These substances are delivered to roots, fruits, seeds and to the growing organs where it is stored. The translocation of food takes place in both in upward and downward direction through the sieve tubes with the help of adjacent companion cells. Sucrose, carbohydrates or sugar is transferred into the phloem using energy from ATP, which increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing water to move into it. Osmoregulation is a process of controlling the amount of water and ions in the body of an organism. This pressure moves the material in the phloem to tissue having less pressure. The materials are moved according to the plant's need. For example, in spring, sugar is stored in root or stem. Tissue is transported to the buds, which needs energy to grow. Now we go to the last process, that is excretion in human beings. Definition: the biological process involved in the removal of harmful nitrogenous metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. Different organisms use different strategies for excretion. Many unicellular organisms remove these waste by simple diffusion from the body surface into the surrounding water. Complex multicellular animals use specialized excretory organs. The excretory system of human beings includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Kidneys are located in the abdomen, one on either side of the backbone. Urine is produced by filtering out nitrogenous waste products from the blood in the kidneys. Ureter. It is a pair of long tubes which connects the kidneys with the urinary bladder. Urine passes through the ureter to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a muscular bag for storing urine until the pressure of the bladder leads to the urge to pass out through the urethra. Urethra is a passage extending from the urinary bladder and opening outside of the body, through which urine is passed out. Structure of nephron. Nephron is a basic filtration unit in the kidneys. Each kidney has a large number of nephrons packed closely together. Okay, for this now you have to turn to page 111, figure 6.14. The figure of nephron is important. A short note on nephron is important, which you should just read through from the textbook. And two more questions, that is, how is urine produced in human body and excretion in plants. That part you just read. In case you have any doubts, you can always ask. Thank you.